In a chilling testament to Russian engineering and battlefield resilience, a BMPT Terminator tank support vehicle endured a relentless barrage of missiles, drones, and cluster munitions, emerging battered but unbowed. The harrowing account, detailed in Krasnaya Zvezda, the official newspaper of the Russian Defense Ministry, paints a vivid picture of modern warfare's ferocity and the near-indestructible nature of one of Russia's most formidable armored beasts. An unnamed crew member's testimony reveals the sheer intensity of the assault, where survival hung by a thread amidst a storm of precision-guided devastation. The BMPT Terminator, designed to dominate urban combat and protect main battle tanks, is a fearsome machine. Armed with a lethal array of 30mm autocannons, Ataka-T anti-tank missiles, and automatic grenade launchers, it is built to shred infantry, light vehicles, and low-flying threats. Its heavy armor and active protection systems make it a mobile fortress, but even this juggernaut faced an unprecedented trial by fire. According to the crew member's account, the vehicle was struck by 2 anti-tank missiles on its left side armor, a blow that would cripple lesser machines. The missiles, likely designed to penetrate even the toughest defenses, slammed into the Terminator with devastating force, yet the vehicle's reinforced plating held firm. As the crew braced for the next wave, a drone struck the BMPT's transmission area, targeting a critical system that powers the vehicle's mobility. The precision of the attack suggests a coordinated effort to disable the Terminator, exploiting vulnerabilities with surgical accuracy. But the assault was far from over. 7 more unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, descended upon the vehicle, each delivering payloads meant to overwhelm its defenses. The sky above became a swarm of relentless, buzzing threats, each drone a potential death sentence. Adding to the chaos, cluster munitions, designed to blanket an area with deadly submunitions, rained down, turning the battlefield into a hellscape of explosions and shrapnel. The crew's survival amidst this onslaught is nothing short of miraculous. The BMPT's armor, a blend of composite materials and reactive plates, absorbed the brunt of the missile strikes. Its active protection systems, possibly including countermeasures like the Afghanet suite, likely intercepted or mitigated some of the incoming threats. The transmission, despite taking a direct hit, continued to function, allowing the vehicle to maintain operational capability. The crew's training and composure under fire were equally critical, as they navigated the vehicle through a maelstrom of destruction, maintaining control in conditions that would break most. This incident underscores the evolving nature of warfare, where drones and precision-guided munitions have become ubiquitous threats. The BMPT's ability to withstand such a multifaceted assault highlights its role as a game-changer on the modern battlefield. Designed to operate in high-threat environments, the Terminator is equipped to counter the very weapons that targeted it: anti-tank missiles, drones, and artillery. Its autocannons can shred UAVs, while its missile systems can engage armored targets at range. Yet, the sheer volume of the attack, 2 missiles, 8 drones, and cluster munitions, pushes the boundaries of what any vehicle, no matter how advanced, should endure. The Krasnaya Zvezda article does not specify the conflict or location, but the context suggests a high-intensity engagement, likely in a theater where Russian forces face sophisticated adversaries. Ukraine, Syria, or another contested region could serve as the backdrop, where Western-supplied weapons like Javelin missiles or Bayraktar drones are deployed against Russian armor. The crew's anonymity protects operational security, but their story serves as a powerful propaganda tool, showcasing Russian technology's resilience and the bravery of its soldiers. Critics might question the veracity of the account, given its source in a state-run publication. Exaggeration or selective reporting? could amplify the Terminator's feats to bolster morale or project strength. However, the BMPT's design specifications lend credence to the tale. Its armor is rated to withstand heavy anti-tank weapons, and its layered defenses are tailored for survivability in chaotic, multi-threat scenarios. The transmission hit, while severe, did not immobilize the vehicle, suggesting either remarkable engineering or rapid crew response to mitigate damage. The psychological toll on the crew must have been immense. Trapped inside a steel behemoth, surrounded by explosions and the constant threat of annihilation, their survival reflects not just the vehicle's durability, but their own mental fortitude. Each drone strike, each missile impact, would have tested their resolve, yet they emerged to tell the tale. The BMPT, scarred and battered, rolled on, a symbol of defiance in the face of overwhelming odds. This incident also raises questions about the future of armored warfare. As drones become cheaper and more lethal, even the toughest vehicles face new vulnerabilities. The Terminator's survival suggests that active protection systems, advanced armor and crew training remain critical to countering these threats. Yet, the sheer volume of attacks, 8 drones in rapid succession, points to the need for next-generation countermeasures, such as directed energy weapons or enhanced electronic warfare to jam drone guidance systems. For now, the BMPT Terminator stands as a testament to Russian engineering and battlefield tenacity. Its survival against a missile and drone barrage is a stark reminder that in the crucible of modern war, resilience is as much about technology as it is about the human spirit. The crew's story, though shrouded in the fog of conflict, will echo in military circles, a tale of a machine and its operators defying the odds in a world where destruction reigns from above.